A teacher enters the class, but the problem is she asks them a weird question. The teacher asks, if you could be covered in anything, what would it be? One kid says, I want to be covered in silver. That's very creative, says the teacher. Can you explain to the class why you want to be covered in silver? The kid responds, because I could then sell the silver for money and buy an expensive car. That makes a lot of sense. Well done, says the teacher. Who else wants to answer? Another kid shouts, I want to be covered in gold. The teacher asks, why do you want to be covered in gold? Because then I could scratch it off and buy 2 expensive cars. That's very smart, says the teacher. Johnny, what about you? What do you want to be covered in? Johnny thinks for a second and says, I want to be covered in hair. Confused, the teacher asks, hair, but why? Little Johnny says, because my mother has a little bit of it between her legs, and you should see all the fancy cars outside our house.